Okay, thank you very much. It's a very good question. It's true, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar used to be the tenant of this building, right? He used to be the tenant of this building, which he used for his presidential campaign. But his tenancy has lapsed. Now the African Democratic Congress is the tenant of this building. Do I need to repeat that? So this building at no time did it belong to Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. He leased it for the purpose of his campaign, and that lease has ceased, and now the tenancy is occupied by the African Democratic Congress. This is not an indication of anything, because you are insinuating that probably this is the direction the party is going. This has nothing to do with it. Atiku has nothing to do with our movement here. This is solely an ADC decision. And that's why you see potential presidential candidates, other potential presidential candidates are also here today for the unveiling.